Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting for all the parents out there looking for a nutritious and delicious way to boost their kids' diets. We are reviewing the Kids Protein Powder Shake Mix, Organic Fruit Mindful Nutrition. Let's dive in. This protein powder is specially formulated for kids, and it's packed with so many benefits. First off, it's made with organic fruit, ensuring your little ones get natural and healthy ingredients without any harmful additives. Making this shake is super simple. Just add a scoop of the kids' protein powder to your child's favorite milk, dairy, almond, soy, you name it, and blend it with some fresh fruits. Today, we are using bananas and strawberries for an extra fruity kick. And there you have it, a nutritious, protein-packed shake that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a post-activity boost. This is delicious. And the best part? It's not just tasty, it's packed with essential nutrients. Each serving provides a good dose of protein, vitamins, and minerals that support your child's growth and development. Let's talk benefits. This shake mix provides protein for muscle growth, essential vitamins for a strong immune system, and minerals like calcium for healthy bones. Plus, being made with organic ingredients means no GMOs or artificial flavors, just pure, mindful nutrition, and it's kid approved. My little one loves it, and I can feel good knowing they're getting the nutrients they need. It's a win-win for both parents and kids. So if you're looking for a healthy, delicious, and easy way to supplement your child's diet, give the Kids Protein Powder Shake Mix from Organic Fruit Mindful Nutrition a try. Your kids will love the taste, and you'll love the benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on healthy living. See you next time.